Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is calculating the area of a circle. Let's take a look at the problem and see which one we have today. The radius of a semicircle is 3 kilometers. What is the semicircle's area? Okay, so our task is to calculate the area of the semicircle. So the area of a full circle is area is equal to pi times the radius squared. And we know this circle has a radius of 3 kilometers. So we'll plug that in. Multiply by pi, square 3. So it says to use 3.14 for pi, so we'll do that. We'll square 3, which is 9, and then multiply those together. So we get 9 times 3.14. That gives us 28.26 square kilometers. Now, that's for a full circle. What we want is a semicircle, so we need to divide it by 2. So 28.26 divided by 2 gives us 14.13, and we're going to round that to the nearest hundredths place. So that's going to be, the area is 14.3 square kilometers. All right, well, thanks for watching and hope the video was helpful for you today. And as always, we'll see you next time.